been in there for 22 years. Go down there and hold on that while I pull on this.
Just hold it?
Yeah, hold it that way.
What do you mean?
I'm going to pull this way.
So...
That means you don't want it to come towards me.
Oh, okay. So turn around, right? Yeah.
Just hold on to it. Don't let go of that. Hold on to the rails down there.
Oh, the rail, right here.
Yeah, there you go.
So, all right, the rail. Just hold on to the rail.
Yeah, you're not holding very hard. See, you're not holding very hard.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. I pull, it comes my way. That means you ain't holding it very good.
So it's not supposed to come your way.
Look, if I'm pulling this way and this whole thing is coming towards me, then that means you're not holding it.
All right, I'll just turn off the camera.
There you go. That's what you gotta have. That's what you need right there for it to slide in and out. Come look.
Okay. Oh! Shoot, Steven.
See how you can now look at it from that angle over there. You see how from over here,
Oh.
looking straight down in the hole. See, now you see this will slide in and out.
Oh, yes, I do see that.
Okay, but this is in my way, so watch out.
I do see that.
Gonna have to have.
Steven. Scratch the paint.
Yeah. Hope they don't sue me.
Oh, that's a shame. You could probably touch that up though, couldn't you?
What's up?
That's something you can touch up.
I think that was there.
No, it wasn't. That was not there.
No. I think it was.
Okay.
I had to get that out of my way anyway, so. Then I cut this other groove a little deeper.
Well, Steven is the tool man. Tools upon tools upon tools. I don't know how a bag can be sturdy enough to carry all of these. Whoa! How in the world can a tool bag be sturdy enough to carry all of these? And that's just heavy right there. And that's just, wow. My husband is quite the tool man. He's got Tim Allen beat on tool time. Look at that. Tool time. Man, Steven, that's a lot of tools. That must be a very heavy bag. Would it weigh 40 pounds?
That's why I got the four-wheeler out and bring it back here instead of me.
What? How much do you think that bag weighs? With all your tools in it?
Weighs quite a bit. I gotta have them. Never know. Never know what might happen on the road. You could be driving down the road and all of a sudden, poof, out of the corner of your eye, the fuel prices go up $5. I don't know what kind of tool is gonna fix that.
No tool's gonna fix the fuel prices. Well, how does that bag hold all those tools?
I dug all the way to the bottom, and the file ain't in there. That means.
So you're just
cut that a little deeper, I guess.
sanding that down.
It's not deep enough. Break that off. It's deeper. I thought I had. I gotta have a file somewhere. Bad thing about having your tools in a bag. Every time you want something, you gotta go through this. issue. Well, this one here needs to get weathered because I gotta order a smaller one. This one's too big. It's a foot too big. So we need, now that we know how to do this, we're professionals at it. We'll order another one.
Just to have on hand? So are you gonna...
Next time I won't measure it with my feet. I'll actually measure it with measuring tape.
Oh, I didn't realize you didn't actually measure it.
No, there was nobody here. So I was like, okay, well, I'll just walk out there and do some footsteps. My footsteps said it was 19 feet. Now that it's up there, it says your feet are wrong. So if it's a foot too big and I counted 9 feet, that means I got small feet and I counted one too many feet. So anyway, it's up there, it's installed. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new awning, new material on our awning. It is now installed, professionally installed by Ruthie and Steven, yours personally, Big Belly. And even though it is a foot too big, I'm not taking it back down. It can stay there. I will order another one.
To have on hand? You're going to order one now to have on hand?
Yeah, I'm going to order another one. When we wear this one out, we'll put an 18-footer up there instead of a 19-footer because my feet measured it 1 foot too many times. So, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for hanging out. Hopefully you learned how not to put up an awning and how not to measure. And hopefully my mistakes helps you not make a mistake. You have lots of fun. God bless. Yes, my hair is crazy. And
later.
Bye, ladies and gentlemen.